How to turn off dark mode on Instagram. Turning off dark mode on Instagram depends on your device because Instagram follows your phone's system-wide theme settings. And here is how to turn it off. So first of all, let's open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Now, once inside the Instagram app, simply tap on the profile icon of yours at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now, once inside the profile section, simply tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to the settings and privacy. Now again here, scroll down and look for the accessibility option available there and simply tap on it. So basically you'll get to see dark mode option available inside the accessibility. You can't see mine because I'm currently using the iOS version. So now inside the iOS, all you have to do is drag down the control center from the top right corner, then turn off the dark mode. So that is it. These are two solutions for Android and iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.